Welcome, my audio acolytes, welcome. Come on, gather in, gather around, nothing to fear, for I am Nathaniel the Mighty, the master of gain, the sorcerer of sound. Today, I have a special treat for you. Yes, you see before you a magical artifact of sound, the Zoom H4N-PRO. And today I shall teach you all of its secrets. And you shall become initiated into the mysteries of sound. To awaken the Zoom H4N-PRO, locate the power switch on the side of the device. Slide and hold the switch until the screen illuminates. To power the device down, slide and hold the same switch again. Remember, every ritual begins with proper awakening and ends with a deliberate shutdown. The Zoom H4N-PRO is powered by two AA batteries located in the rear compartments. It can also use alkaline or rechargeable batteries. Battery life is displayed on the screen. Always confirm sufficient power before recording. For extended sessions, the recorder may also be powered through the USB port using a wall adapter or external power bank. Remember, a powerless recorder captures nothing but silence. Audio is recorded onto an SD or SDH card inserted into the side slot. Always insert the SD card before powering on the device. Before recording, it is best practice to format the card inside the recorder. Press Menu, navigate to SD card, select Format, and confirm the operation. Formatting prepares the card for reliable recording and prevents file corruption. Clean memory prevents cursed recordings. At the bottom of the recorder are two XLR inputs. These allow collection of professional microphones, including boom microphones. On top are the built-in stereo microphones for ambient recording. A 3.5mm input provides additional microphone for monitoring. Connect headphones to the headphone output jack on the side. Always monitor your sound during recording. What you do not hear, you cannot fix. Now we shall cover phantom power. If using a condenser microphone, phantom power must be activated. Press Menu, navigate to the input settings, select Phantom Power, enable the phantom power for the inputs being used. Remember, only activate phantom power if your microphone requires it. Without phantom power, many condenser microphones will not function. Invisible energy, yet very real consequences. To set recording levels, press the record button once. The recorder will enter a standby mode and activate the meters. Speak at the expected performance volume and adjust the input levels using the input level controls. You should aim for peaks around -12 decibels. Avoid reaching 0 decibels, which will cause clipping and distortion. Balance gain ensures clean, usable audio. To record a scene, connect the boom microphone to an XLR input. Activate phantom power if required. Plug in headphones for monitoring. Press record once to enter standby mode. Set the proper levels. Press record again to begin recording. When finished, press stop. The audio file is automatically saved to the SD card, and the ritual is complete. I can feel the power. Now you have become initiated, my audio acolytes, into the sorcery of sound. Remember to always use your powers wisely, and never, never forget to check your levels.